So I look like a mess right now. It's the end of the day. It's actually 8:20, but let's just ignore that. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm in my car right now because I'm actually off to run some errands. I'm actually gonna head off to Walmart, Staples, maybe Michael's, we'll see. I'm actually just doing a vlog today. It's gonna be like a multi-day vlog, but in this vlog we're mostly gonna be reorganizing my makeup. Again, I know like I just did this a couple months ago, but I feel like again my makeup situation is just getting to another extent where I can't contain it all, so we're gonna fix that. I'm looking for one of those, you know, like office envelope or letter holders, but I want to use it to hold my palettes. You guys have probably seen other people do it too, so we're gonna try to find a cute one and maybe some other organization type things, and then we're gonna go back and try to figure it out together. You guys really loved my last makeup organization video, so I thought I'd do another one today, so let's just get on going. I've never filmed while driving before, so this is interesting, but yeah, I basically explained it to you guys. We're just gonna go to Walmart and see what if they have what I'm looking for. I saw a really cute one on Amazon, but I need to get this organization thing like done pretty fast, and Amazon takes, at least for me, it's always taken months to get what I actually need unless I do Prime, which I don't really feel like doing, so I just thought I'd scurry on down to Walmart. But the stores do close in half an hour, so I gotta get there and have time to look around and stuff, but I'm only looking for a few things, so it should be fine. Alright, so the first stop is Staples. Alright, so I'm just looking for where I can find, because what I'm looking for is very simple. It's just one of those like metal letter holders, but all I'm seeing here are like blue ones that would definitely not go. They have these clear ones here too, but it's a little big for what I'm looking for. I just get kind of nervous filming in stores. I've only done it a few times, but I still get nervous because I'm afraid they're gonna tell me to stop filming, or someone's gonna look at me and be like, what are you doing filming the store, right? But it's okay, who cares? Do it for the YouTube, right? Am I right? Alright, so I found something kind of along the lines of what I was looking for. This right here, but it might still be a little big because I don't want to just put like one palette in each thing and have this huge thing on my desk. These are just too small. This might work just because it's kind of stackable and stuff, but I don't know, it's not the best. I think we found some more. So I found this one right here. It's just a white one, and I like that it has taller and shorter ones because then I could fit more palettes. Then there's also these clear ones that look kind of big, and then some metal ones. Ooh, this one's nice. I like this one here. Right, so because I'm the most indecisive person on planet Earth, I got both like the lacy one and the white plastic one, because I realized that because I didn't bring any of my palettes and I'm not sure which one I'm gonna put in the organizer, I kind of need to take it home to try out. So that's why I got both, because I can just return the one I'm not gonna use, and also because I'm the type of person who wants to see all the options before deciding. I'm gonna actually head over to Walmart just in case they might have another one that I like more, so I'm gonna head over there right now. So they only have like black ones here, so I think I'm gonna stick with the ones I got before. Hey guys, so it's actually been 2 days since the last clip you saw. So I did get some organizers from Staples. I didn't actually end up finding any at Walmart, but that's okay because I did find these two and these are good. So today's the day that we're actually going to reorganize and kind of, you know, figure out what I'm going to put in these, and I do have some other drawers to reorganize as well. So I thought I'd just start filming. So the first kind of duty of the day is with this bag right here. So I just filmed my haul video. I just came back from the States, and this is the bag of all the makeup I got while I was there, and I already filmed the haul video, so now it's time to put all this into kind of my organization right here. I do have some ideas in mind for what I'm gonna do with my makeup organization today. So it's all about like kind of playing around, seeing what will fit where. Sometimes it is a very, very long process and you guys just see a few minutes of it, but hopefully it turns out good and hopefully I like it. But let's get right into it. Side note real quick, I really like how my makeup turned out today. I actually used this Bad Habit Athena palette today. It's actually a dupe for the Huda Beauty palette. Let me show it to you guys. It's hard with one hand. This one right here. Look how pretty this palette is, and I used it on my eyes and I think it's gorgeous. I love how my eyes turned out. I never do like pink eyeshadows, but I think it's cute. That was so random. But anyways, let's just start organizing this because the sooner I start, the faster I'll finish. Are the palettes I purchased while I was in the States, and I will show you guys kind of my eyeshadow situation right now. So in here I keep smaller eyeshadow palettes and nothing is going to fit because if I try adding any more, these will be too tall for the drawer to actually close. So same with this drawer, if I add any more, these ones will come up and the drawer won't actually close. And I don't want to keep stacking palettes back here because it's really hard for me to reach them. I already have 4 back there, so I don't feel like doing that. And that's why I got these little organizers, because actually I know I said I was wanting to decide between them, but what I think I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use this lace one right here on my desk, and I think I might put my favorite eyeshadow palettes in here. So from my drawer, definitely 2 of my most used are my Anastasia Modern Renaissance and Soft Glam. I'm gonna leave my Subculture in here since I don't use it as much. Laura Pro I'm gonna take out. I've been loving this All Mark Cosmetics, so I'm kind of showing you guys my favorites right now as well. And then from the ones I got, I really want to keep these 2 out right now because these are the 2 that I'm most excited to play around with. And then from here, I'm definitely going to take out my Sonia Kashuk matte palette because I just use this all the time. So I'm going to try to organize them in here. And yeah, I think I'm going to actually stand these up because I think they'll fit better like that. So there we go. Now I have all my palettes that I use the most in here, and I think it'll be really good because then I don't have to open and close these drawers every day when I'm reaching for these, and I can just have them right here on my desk. So now for this one right here, I don't know quite what I'm going to put in it. I might put my bigger eyeshadow palette since that's what I have a hard time fitting in these drawers. So let's take out these 2. These are the Bad Habit Athena and Aphrodite palettes, and they're quite taller, so I'm going to put these right here. Also, I think I'm going to take out my Morphe and Coastal Scents palettes. So these are like huge palettes, and I always have to lay them flat in drawers at the back and then I never reach for them, so I think having them in here will make it a lot easier. And then I'll also include this one right here, the Beige Cosmetics Take Me to the Brazil palette. Again, another large palette, so I'm just going to stick it in here as well. And then for over here, I don't know what else to put. Maybe I'll put like my Too Faced palettes just because I think these are pretty and they might look nice on display. I don't actually reach for these that much anymore, but I just think they'll look pretty. I'll leave it like this for now, and now let's see if I can rearrange this for it to work better. So I'm just going to take these bigger ones that are kind of sitting over here. And then I think I'm going to take these 3 as well and move them. And then these 2 hard candy ones I don't use as much, so I'm just gonna put these in the back. Now in here, because I have all this room now, I'm gonna move some of these that are in the back up to the front. And then I can also fit the new palettes I got. Alright, so that fit perfectly, and now I can actually close that drawer. So I think we just solved the eyeshadow problem. And then this bigger compartment I think I'm gonna stick on top of here. So there we go. I really actually like how this is sitting up here. I think it's the perfect spot for it, and then I can reach for these palettes a lot easier. I'm gonna keep this one down here, and then I can move it around on my desk. I can fix that later, but I like that I have my most used favorite palettes in here, and then I can obviously change these out to what I'm using, you know, for the time being. Go ahead and put everything else in this bag back. So I have these new highlighters right here, so I'm just gonna put these in the drawer. I just gonna have to rearrange this a little bit. There we go. Next, I have some lip products. I'm just gonna kind of stick them wherever I have room. Next, we have some brushes, so I'm just gonna move this little palette thing over, and I keep all my like washed and clean brushes in here. So all these new brushes, I'm just gonna stick in here because I haven't used them yet. I have some new lashes to put in, but as you can see, in the back here is where I keep my lashes, and it's pretty stacked full. So what I think I'm actually going to do is I think I'm going to remove my eyeliners from here and try to fit my eyeliners, like liquid eyeliners, in a different drawer. Maybe I'll like move these ones to the side here and kind of have them laying down. And then I'll take these new lashes and just pop them, like stack them right over here. There we go, that closes. Perfect. So now over to this drawer over here. This is where I keep like single eyeshadows, and I think I'm gonna move my eyeliners into here. So something I don't reach for as often is like eyeshadow primers. So if I move these to the back, let's see, then I can move eyeliners right there. Alright, I think I like this because I'm fine to have eyeliners in here since my most used eyeliner is actually up on my vanity, so I'm not going to be reaching in here as often, so I think this is a good place to keep them. So this drawer is actually good, and I think I'm going to leave it as is. I like how I have my blushes and bronzers and everything in here, so I think this drawer is good to go, and it's fine to stay the same. So in this drawer right here, I keep powders, setting sprays, color correctors, and primers at the back, and it's already a fairly packed drawer, but I also have 2 more setting sprays and another primer, so I don't think it's going to work, because if I just stack these, I'm not even going to be able to see my primers in the back, and it's going to be hard to reach to. And I'm going to have the same problem in this drawer where I keep concealers and foundations, since I have 3 new foundations and also a concealer. And again, like, I don't want to just keep stacking things over each other because it's going to look a little messy. So I think I'm going to need to rearrange this somehow. All right, so I think I decided what I'm going to do about this, because this is kind of the part that I was like, what am I gonna do? And I have a drawer down here. I just have like boxes and stuff from like products and stuff, so I'm actually gonna empty that out because that is a waste of space. I don't need any of that, and after it's clean we can move some products in there. Emptied out this drawer, and this is like a deeper drawer, so maybe I can even stand up some products. It was just full of like PR boxes and a bunch of like unboxing and stuff, so it was just junk that I need to throw out, so now I can use this to actually store my makeup in. So I think what I'm going to move over there will be setting sprays, since I have a lot of them and I can stand some of them up, and then also the primers, which are in the back. So I'm just going to take them out and set them onto the desk. And then I just have a bin here of all my primers, which is kind of overflowing, so I think I'm gonna maybe just lay them down in that drawer. So there's all my setting sprays, and now I can just bring my primers over. I just found a bigger like plastic container where I can put my primers in. Just an overview of the drawer right now. I have just primers and stuff. My most used I kept at the front just so they'd be easy to access, and then I have some like different type packaging primers there, and then all of my setting sprays. Obviously this might just change like tiny bit like where I put certain products, but this is kind of what I'm going to keep for now, because I do like having primers and setting sprays in here. I think they go well together, and now I can actually have this drawer kind of go to use, and I think it's a good place to keep them. I'm just gonna take out my concealers from here, and I'm gonna leave this drawer for just foundations. Alright, so back to this drawer. I'm gonna now lay out my powders instead of them being all stacked, so now I can actually see what I have, which is awesome. And And then I'm going to use this container that I had my primers in before to put my concealers in. So I'm just going to do this situation, and then I can see my concealers better now, which is awesome because I could never see them all, and now they're all kind of laid out here, so that's awesome. I love that. And then in the back here, I have my color correctors, which now I feel like this drawer is a lot more usable, a lot more accessible, and I can actually see what I have. So I actually took out all the foundations from the drawer and put them out on my desk. I'm gonna reorganize them since now I have the concealers in this drawer. I think it'll be a lot easier for me to kind of fit my foundations and organize them better so I can see them all better and everything like that. So let's just do that right now. This is what my foundations look like right now. I decided to lay them like horizontally because this way I can actually see them better, because before they were all laying this way, and I thought laying them all this way is a lot better since I can, you know, have them like easier to reach and stuff. So I have all these bottled ones, stick foundations. These are just smaller compacts, and then in the back I laid all my like tube foundations. So I really like how this looks now. I can definitely see everything instead of having them stacked or overlapping. So I'm very happy with this drawer right now, and I think it looks absolutely amazing. Alright guys, so my makeup is starting to look really bad. It's the end of the day and everything like that, and it's starting to kind of, you know how it gets, you guys get it. But I'm really happy with how my makeup turned out. So now that I have some of my palettes out, you know, my drawers look so much better. I'm really happy, and I was really happy to take you guys along this kind of adventure with me. I did this a while ago and you guys seem to really like it, so it's always fun for me to reorganize my makeup, and I always love watching people organize their makeup, so I thought why not film it for you guys. I'll probably do a makeup collection really soon if you guys want to see that, and then I need to start doing declutters too. So if you guys want to see these vlog type videos for declutter videos as well, let me know and I will definitely do that for you guys. But anyways, that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys.